A dramatic moment unfolded in court today during the cross-examination of security guard Bethuel Mzamo Cele. After hours of intense questioning from defense advocate Nadas Grove, the witness appeared visibly exhausted. The exchange became so heated that Cele eventually reached his limit. Take a look at what happened.
Usiza ukuthi manje ama-bullet ebedubula ehlangothini lakho edutshula ke manje ngawo lama suspect nawe ke waqhubeka udubula.
My lord, mina ngikhathele manje le.
My lord, I'm tired of this now.
Because izinto eyi-1 siyalena ngikhathele. I mean akunala siyakhona la. I mean
my lord, you are not going anywhere. Really, I'm tired about this. Hi, my lord, I'm tired about this. I'm really tired, my lord, about this.
If kwakuyisona ukuthi ngivikele iclient nokuthi mhlambe ngenzeni
if it was a sin, my lord, to protect a client, I really, my lord, I don't know.
Because it seems as if
it's like I'm the one who started the sin.
And you want to sebenzisa desperation. Don't be too desperate, my friend.
So really,
my
lord. No, my lord, I'm tired.
My lord.
Before this exchange, the defense had repeatedly asked Cele to estimate distances in paces and draw a sketch of the crime scene. Cele told the court he couldn't accurately do that without revisiting the location and explained that maths wasn't his strength. The defense also suggested that he may have accidentally shot the victim himself and later changed his version to cover it up. Cele rejected those claims. After the exchange you just watched, the defense asked the judge to reprimand the witness. The cross-examination is expected to continue when the trial resumes, with more tough questions still to come. With that being said, I'll see you on the next one. God bless you and good night.